Hey guys, guess who? It's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today we're demonstrating a unit sent in by George from Elm City, North Carolina. Thank you, George, for your business from clear across the country. This is out of a 1972 Chevy Chevelle. It's an AM-FM-8 track. Customer has requested the modern internal conversion with Bluetooth, and that, of course, adds an auxiliary input as well. So we're going to go ahead and turn her on and make sure everything works before we send her back. I believe I have it set to FM at the moment. And to save time, I've got all stations preset to stations in my area, so let's just go down the line. Okay, that one didn't quite. There we go.
Tonight, 80% chance precipitation.
Okay, now this button forces the AM mode, and I've got it set to the one strong AM station in my area. So we'll just repeat the FM test, since it was kind of quick. Okay, now we're going to go back to talk radio, and I'm going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. We're going to need our output level meters, virtual front rear fader. We give our tone control 2 turns to the right.
Fader adjust.
Okay, fader adjust. So now the same control is adjusting your left-right balance. Okay, I'm going to let it time out. Fader set. Now we're going to adjust our left-right balance. Same procedure, except we turn our control twice to the left.
Balance adjust.
Okay, so now the same control, the tone control, is adjusting your left-right balance. Adjust it as long as you want. And once you stop adjusting it, it'll wait 2 seconds and then
balance set.
Balance set. Okay, now we're going to make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We do that by rotating our volume control twice to the right.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. And as you guys know, I don't go to all that pairing it up. It's just too time consuming on a demo video. It does go into pairing mode, so we know it works. She'll come back in 90 seconds saying pairing not completed. While we're waiting for that, let's test the 8-track function. We don't need these anymore. Got some Neil Sedaka. Nice bright sound, plenty of volume. Okay, we're coming up on between songs here. I don't think it's going to change tracks at this point. Okay, so we'll change tracks manually. Pull the tape out, and the radio comes back. You'll notice that the 8-track is quite a bit louder than the radio section, and it's also much brighter sounding, so you may want to back off that volume a little bit before you pop a tape in there. And let's test our panel light, or our dial light. You can see those lights flashing on and off inside in response to me pushing and releasing the button. So everything's working correctly. There we go. She just came back on saying pairing not completed, so that's it. One thing I'll point out is on these Delco radios, on the AM 8-track, the ones that did not have FM, there was a stereo light that indicated only when a tape was put in the unit, and so these the AM/FM models, I just wire the light so that the FM light is lit when it's on FM, and the stereo lamp is lit only when an FM stereo station is being broadcast. This will not light when there's a tape in there, because you pretty much know when there's a tape in there, I think. So with that being stated, I'm out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And incidentally, this unit was wired to the original connector at the customer's request. Now that unfortunately does not give you that massive increase in output power, because it's going into a common ground speaker system, and you only get that big increase in output power if you rewire your speakers, or if your speakers are already fully isolated with no shared wires, common wires, or ground wires in the speaker system. So on that note, thank you very much, George, for your business from North Carolina. Thank you, folks, for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh, by the way, my phone number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks very much. See you guys next time.